Hey guys, it's Adam from Fablab and today we'll be covering a general tutorial on how to print kiss cut stickers using the Roland TrueVis SG2-300. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to print stickers and much more by getting to know this machine. So let's get started with the printing.
We can get started by opening your design file in Adobe Illustrator. Just a quick reminder that in this tutorial we'll not be making the actual design itself, since we're mainly covering its preparation for printing. What's important when it comes to printing out your sticker is to know how you want your stickers to be cut out. We'll be making kiss cut stickers, meaning that they will have an extra backing around the outline of your sticker. It's good to know how you'll make your cut contour. You can make your cut contour by making a square with beveled edges, a circle, or a custom outline like the one I have over here. I encourage you to play around with the shapes and check out some Illustrator tutorials to figure out what's best for your design. We will begin the file preparation by assigning a custom profile for our outline. This step is necessary for our printer to read and cut at designated paths. To do so, we select our outline, then we'll head on over to the stroke swatch panel. In the pop-up window, we'll name our swatch cut contour, make sure our color type is selected as spot color, and set our magenta value to 100% with the rest at 0. Then we'll click OK. We must then make sure that our stroke is set to 0.2 and our opacity is at 100%. Once everything is set up, we can go to the transform panel and double check our size. I'm looking for my sticker to be around 9 cm in width, so this is good with me. We can then proceed to saving the sticker on your flash drive. We do this by going to File, clicking Save As. Our file type is going to be Illustrator EPS because this is the format which the printer reads. We will then name our file and click on Save. In the pop-up window, we're going to go and select Illustrator CS6 because sometimes the newer versions of Illustrator are not really read by the printing software. We will then click OK and then start preparing our printer.
For these stickers, I'll be using a semi-permanent vinyl and we will load this roll into the machine right now.
On the back of the printer, we will unlock the roll by raising the lever on the back, and then we'll roll out the previous material in, locking it with brackets afterwards. We will then loosen the left side screw and then the right. Slide out the spool and take out the previous material. We will then place our new vinyl on the roll of the spools, locking it in by bringing the two spools together. Make sure that the edge of the vinyl is rolling over the roll, not under. The edges of your roll should be placed between the arrows on the metallic bar in the back on both sides. Pull the vinyl into the machine and make sure that the roll is set straight. Pull down the side lever on the left to lock the vinyl in. Tighten the screws once the material is set in properly. Once that's done, we go to the other side of the machine to finish setting our vinyl. Lift the lever on the right to unlock the roll to set the vinyl in straight. Lock it back when you're done. Slide the metal slits over the vinyl on the left and then the right. Close the lid and then hit enter. The machine will then read the size and the width of the vinyl itself. We can then go to our workstation computer, connect our flash drive, and open the VersaWorks program. In the program, we'll go to File, Add Job to Queue, and then press QA. You will then select your file on the flash drive. Double click your file and then we'll be brought to the media settings. Click on Get Media Width to get the size of your vinyl. Below in Print Properties, you can select the amount of stickers which you want to print. Then play around with the spacing to get the most out of your vinyl. We'll then head over to the scissors icon and then select our operation mode as print and cut. We'll also tick the box behind the execute prefeed options to create our perforation cut. And then we'll click OK. Once your file is set up, we can click the printer icon and then click print. The machine will then start heating up to prepare for the print. Give the machine around a few minutes to start up and do not open the lid. Shortly, the machine will start printing. Once your design is printed and cut, we can proceed to finish up the print by hitting Function, Down, Sheet Cut, and Enter. Your print will then be cut from the roll. You can then open up the lid and pick up your design. I would avoid touching the printed area right away as the ink needs a few minutes to set and dry. After we have waited a bit, we can remove the backing outside of the sticker contour. Take your time with this process in order not to damage the stickers themselves. Once the backing is off, we can simply push out the sticker from the backing. This way you have a nice KissCut sticker which you can easily hand out. Thanks for tuning in and hope you make some cool stickers.